everybody, bore da, hello and welcome to Rhymetime Live with me, Auntie Donna. Croeso I Amser, Rhigwm and fyw gyda fi, Auntie Donna. I hope everyone is well this week. The sun is shining again, which is lovely. A big welcome. We might have some new friends watching this week, so welcome to everybody wherever you are watching. I hope you've all been enjoying the videos from Auntie Nina and Auntie Glenn. Story time on a Thursday and an outside broadcast with Auntie Glenn on Sundays, so I hope you've been enjoying that. Lots of you have been sending videos this week, so if you want to send us some videos of your little ones joining in with Rhymetime from YouTube or watching the videos, please do say. You can private message them. We really do like to see them, and it is gorgeous to see these little ones singing. So anyway, let's crack on. Pawb yn barod? We all know how to start, so we'll wave and sing hello to everyone. Are you ready? Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Good morning. How are you? Yay! Bore da ffrindiau. Bore da ffrindiau. Bore da ffrindiau. Bore da a sut wyt ti? Sut wyt ti? Pawb yn iawn? Everyone good? Yay! Right, today we're going to start with one of my favourites, and I found it on YouTube the other day. So it's open, shut them. Okay, so everybody, can we see these hands nice and high? Barod. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give a little clap. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Lay them on your lap. Okay, eto. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give a little shake. Woo! Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Keep them wide awake. And again, eto. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Roll them up like this. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Blow a little kiss. Mwah! Oh, okay, now it's really fast, everybody. Arms open wide. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Don't get in a muddle. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give yourselves a cuddle. Yay! Oh, now Leo's mummy Chloe sent us a gorgeous video of Leo singing this on YouTube. So it's Troi ein dwylo. Okay, pawb yn barod? Troi ein dwylo, troi ein dwylo, troi a throi fel hyn. Chwifio? Chwifio'n dwylo, chwifio'n dwylo, chwifio a chwifio a chwifio fel hyn. Ciro'n dwylo, clap a chlap fel hyn. Yay! Da iawn, pawb. Oh, here's one for the babies, and again, this is one of our favourites. I know this is Auntie Nina's favourite. Ready for cheek, chin, okay? Cheek, chin, cheek, chin, cheek, chin, nose. Cheek, chin, cheek, chin, cheek, chin, toes. Cheek, chin, cheek, chin, 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 chin. Up Teddy goes. Whee! So don't forget to say your baby's name when you're lifting up. We're going to do it a bit faster now. Are you ready? Cheek, chin, cheek, chin, cheek, chin, nose. Cheek, chin, cheek, chin, cheek, chin, toes. Cheek, chin, cheek, chin, 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 chin. Up Teddy goes. Whee! Yay! Oh, let's have some Shani Flewog. Shani Flewog, flerei di. Dring o fyny ar dy ysgwydd I dy gossy dee. Yay! Oh, and we've got to have some blur blur. We haven't had that blur blur for a while. Are you ready? Blur, blur, went the little green frog one day. Blur, blur, went the little green frog. Blur, blur, went the little green frog one day. So we all went blur, blur, blur. We know frogs go la-dee-da-dee-da, la-dee-da-dee-da, la-dee-da-dee-da. We know frogs go la-dee-da-dee-da. They don't go blah, blah, blah. Should we do verse 2? We know frogs go shoopy-doopy-doo, shoopy-doopy-doo, shoopy-doopy-doo. We know frogs go shoopy-doopy-doo. They don't go blah, blah, blah. Yay! Oh, well, and it's still Easter time, isn't it? Let's do some sleeping bunnies, okay? Little ones down on the floor. It's time to go to sleep, okay? Now, when we sing this, normally me and Antonina sing a different tune, so hopefully I'll get it right today. Are you ready? See the little bunnies sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we wake them with a merry tune? They're so still. Are they ill? Wake up soon. Wake up, bunnies! Jump, little bunnies, jump, jump, jump. Jump, little bunnies, jump, jump, jump. Jump, little bunnies, jump, jump, jump. Jump and jump. Okay, back on the floor again. Again, ready, okay? Back to sleep, back to sleep. See the little bunnies sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we wake them with a merry tune? They're so still, are they ill? Wake up soon. Come on, Charlie, wake up, ready? Ready to hop, everybody? Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop and stop. Yay! Well done, Charlie. You liked that one today, didn't you? Oh, right. Now, Charlie, you knew it was time for the tap-tap box, didn't you? So, okay, you ready to go to the tap-tap box? Are you ready? Okay. Don't eat that. Oh, Charlie's so naughty, he's eating the sheep. Okay, Pam and Barras, ready? What's in the box? Beth sydd yn y box. Beth sydd yn y box. Beth sydd yn y box. Dewch I ni gael gweld. Let's have a look. Oh, a llygodyn bach. Oh, look. It's a little mouse. Hello, little mouse. Oh, shall we have some adeiladu tŷ bach? 1, 2, 3. Charlie's got his eye on this. Okay, pawb yn barod? Adeiladu tŷ bach. 1, 2, 3. To ar ei ben a dyna ni. Sbïa mewn trwy'r ffenest fe welon ni. Llygodyn bach yn cysgu, da fi. Llygodyn bach yn cysgu yn y tŷ. Bw! Llygodyn bach yn deffro I ffwrdd â hi. Yay! O, diolch Llygodyn. Right, what's in the box? Beth sydd yn y box? Beth sydd yn y box? Beth sydd yn y box? Dewch I ni gael gweld. Charlie, what's in the box this time? Oh, look, it's Incy Wincy. Oh, I don't know about you, but I had a huge spider in my house yesterday because it turned cold. I think it was Incy Wincy. Are you ready? Present Incy Wincy, everybody. Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed old Incy out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. Oh, diolch Incy! Yay! Right. message and we will get you on the list. So only 3 this week. So Penblwydd Hapus I Harry. Harry lives in Rhythm but comes to sessions in Denbighshire Library. Happy birthday to Harry. Is going to be 3 this week. Penblwydd Hapus Harry. A guitar ffrind ni o Rhythm hefyd. Penblwydd Hapus guitar. And little Tilly, I can't believe little Tilly is going to be 1, and Tilly was coming to our baby sessions in Rill, and actually if you look on Facebook there's a gorgeous picture of Tilly when we did World Book Day this year. So Penblwydd Hapus to Tilly. Shall we sing Penblwydd Hapus ffrindiau? Penblwydd Hapus I ti, Penblwydd Hapus I ti, Penblwydd Hapus I ffrindiau, Penblwydd Hapus I ti. Hip hip! Hooray! Well, I thought, as it's a favourite song, it's everyone's favourite, let's do some ups and downs. So everybody up, and grown-ups, don't forget to pick your babies up and go up and down. Are you ready? Ready, and up and down, and up and down, and side to side, and side to side, and backwards and forwards, and backwards and forwards, and round and round, and round and round, and here we go again. Barod I fyny I lawr, I fyny I lawr, ac ochr I ochr, ac ochr I ochr, yn ôl ymlaen, yn ôl ymlaen, a rownd a rownd, a rownd a rownd, a dyma ni'n cychwyn eto. For the last time, really fast. Ready, and up and down, and up and down, and side to side, and side to side, and backwards and forwards, and backwards and forwards, and round and round, and round and round. And now it's time to stop. Yay! Oh. I hope you've enjoyed the session this week, everybody. So please do send us some messages, send us your videos, and if you're having birthdays, do let us know next week. Have a good week, everybody. Keep safe. Let's sing. Right, I don't know. Should we do? We'll do our goodbye song, because I suddenly remembered we hadn't done this. So, okay. Hands on knees.